Another great feature of your Now Reach platform is that you can conference up to 5 parties on a call. To initiate a conference call, you first need to be connected on a call. Then press the Add Call to Meet button. You can then navigate to your favourites, or go to the Search Contact or Type Number section and enter a contact name or a phone number to add to the conference. Then hover over and select the call icon to call that party. When you press the call icon, the original party will be placed on hold. Also note that you can expand the contact to see other numbers associated with them and click on the arrow and select Dial to call that number. Introduce the conference to the second party, then press the Add Call to Meet button to add the caller to the conference. Or alternatively, you can press the Hang Up button if they do not wish to join. When you press the Add Call to Meet button, you will hear a tone indicating that they have been added to the conference. You can then search for another party to add and repeat the same steps. Once you have added all participants, you can take the conference off hold with the Resume button, and all parties will be able to communicate. Let the party begin. If you need to remove participants from the conference, you can click on the Hang Up button next to each participant to disconnect them. If you would like to hang up from the conference, you can click on the Hang Up All button. Note that you will get a notification asking whether you want to let the other participants continue to communicate after you hang up. You can select Yes if you would like the conference to continue without you, or No to disconnect all parties. At any time, you can add additional parties to the conference, with 5 participants being the limit.